Hi, my name is Divya.
And I'm Rithika.
And our app is called StudyHub, where you have all of the possible materials you could need to study in one place. This can help you avoid any possible distractions you might face during your study session. First thing we have is a login and sign up page, where you can create a username and password for yourself and use it to log in and save everything you need. We have a good study habits page, which are some helpful tips you might want to consider while studying.
Next, we have our time management page, which includes a section where you can choose any activities you would like to focus on and a built-in timer. For example, if you wanted to do reading for 1 minute, it'll start a timer for 1 minute, and it'll give you pop-up messages for when your timer has started and how much time you have left, and you can also stop the timer.
The next feature we have is the notes feature. Here you get to type out any notes you might have. You can change the font and the size. You can also add new tabs to separate each subject's notes from each other. You can also save your notes to the desktop so that you can refer to them anytime you might need them again.
The next feature we have on our applications is the flashcards feature. Here you can add different questions and answers to help you study, and you can click the Add Flashcards button to add a flashcard, and after adding a few flashcards, you can also click Done Adding Flashcards to start studying. You can click the Show Flashcard button to show your flashcards, and click the Reveal Answer to reveal the answers, and also click the Next Flashcard button to go through your different flashcards.
The next thing we have is the checklist, where you get to add any possible items you might have to complete that day. For example, studying, reading, and coding. You can select an item and then check it, which will change its color. You can also uncheck the same item, and you can remove items completely as well as clear all.
After that, we have our calendar feature, where you can go through different months in different years to plan your events accordingly. We also have our chatbot feature, which was made to help students not get distracted when going to different browsers by answering all the questions in here. Our AI chatbot gives very short, correct answers, as you can see, to help students get the help they need without getting any distractions.
The last thing we have is our music player, where you can open any file that you have saved to your computer. You can click play. You can also toggle the volume. You can pause the music, and you can fully stop.
This is our app StudyHub. Now let's look at the coding for the app to see how it was made. This is StudyHub's code page. All the code was made using Python, and it was all made on Visual Studios. We imported lots of modules such as TickInter, SQLite 3, Random, Subprocess, and OpenAI. Our code contains lots of functions and variables used, and each page has its own code file which has lots of functions and variables inside. Each page has over 100 lines of code, and in total, we have over 900 lines of code.
StudyHub is specifically targeted towards middle and high school students, or really any students having trouble staying on track during the study session. The various functions will prove useful for all students with no need to search up things for homework, go on YouTube to listen to music, or even use their phones to set timers.
With that, thank you for listening to our demo of StudyHub.